All right, guys, well, you have reached at S Regina TV, and I am making a Cornice board. I have made all the mistakes for you guys. I have nice tips and hints and tricks on how to make this, what not to use, and how to hang it up, believe it or not, without drilling any holes in your wall. So if you want to see how this Cornice board is going to turn out, then just stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up this video because it helps my channel a lot, guys, and I really do appreciate you. So let's get to it, guys, so you'll see how to make a decorative Cornice board for your window.
When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice.
All right, so I measured my window in the back, and it is 79 inches across. So I'm going to go like to 81, 82, just to give some clearance on the side. And here is my board here. And I'm just going to measure it out to 82 inches, cut it, and use the rest of this board for my sides.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
All right, guys, well, this is what was left over from me cutting that piece off, and it is it's 13 inches across. 13 inches across, so I'm going to cut it into 6.5 by 6.5. You know, I'm just going to divide that up and cut it in half. And then that is going to be how much I need to go on the side of my Cornice board, on the side of my window frame, to let my curtains flow freely. So I'm going to cut it in half, and this is how far it's going to stick out from my window. All right, so here's my mark. It's 6.5 this way, 6.5 that way. I'm going to cut it.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need.
So I got my landscaping material here, and I'm just going to glue both of my sides in.
I'm here when you need my voice.
Also, guys, what I got from the Dollar Tree is this felt. And so instead of spending a lot of money for, you know, like a fabric type of thing at the, you know, the felt at the Joann Fabric or whatever, I just got a few rolls of this. And I am going to just lay this on top of, just going to lay it on top of this. And then we're going to cover it with the fabric, okay?
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
All right, guys, so I got the felt on here, and I am just going to just start gluing it down. Now, like I said, I got the felt from the dollar store, and I had some leftover felt from a last project that I did. So that's all I'm gonna do is glue it down. Once I glue it down with my glue gun, I will be back. And let me tell you something else, guys. When you get ready to put your fabric on, try to get a fabric that either has a design on it that's not going to be too hard to match up, or try to get a thicker type material. But whatever you do, please make sure that the fabric is don't have any wrinkles in it, because it is going to show up and it is going to bother you later that you see wrinkles in your fabric. So make sure you get all of the lines out of your fabric.
When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice.
All right, guys, well, I have gotten this far on the Cornice board, and don't let this piece of wood discourage you. It's just that's something I have found around the house, and since I glued 2 of these boards together, I just decided to glue it, a piece of wood right here, and that will stabilize it even more. But if you don't have anything like that, don't worry about it. You can use wood if you want to. You can use cardboard or nothing at all. So so far the Cornice board is turning out good. Now I am on the bottom of it where people will be able to see underneath. I'm pinning it down, and now I'm about to just glue this fabric down. And then pretty much we're going to be halfway there.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
All right, guys, well, the Cornice board is made. See that? And it's so light. It's so light. Look at this. One hand. It's so light because I want to be able to put this up, take this down, change the fabric anytime and any way I want to do it. So I didn't want a lot of heavy stuff hanging up to the window, and that's why you have to check out in the next video on how I hang this thing. It is so unique how I hang this thing, where you could take it up, take it down, clean it, change the material, all of that. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. You have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. Leave comments down below for anything you want to know that I didn't address in this video. Guys, I love it when you leave comments. I love answering your questions and everything. But to help out my channel and to support my channel, guys, thumbs up this video, like this video. And guys, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another. Let me know how your Cornice board works, and I will talk to you later. Mwah. It's beautiful. Now I'm finna go hang it. Look for the next video.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you